Hello student, welcome to my class of computer subject for class 10th. Today we'll understand the third learning part of unit number 2, that is electronic spreadsheet. Okay, in this particular third part we will understand how to share and review a spreadsheet, in which we will do the practically set up a spreadsheet for the sharing, open and save a spreadsheet, record changes, add, edit, format the comments, review changes, view, accept or reject the changes, and merge and compare the sheet. So student, before I will start the particular sharing a spreadsheet, we will have a little bit understanding what is sharing. So through this particular documentation I will teach you. So actually sharing is a way by which you can distribute your work more than one person, okay, to complete a single task or work. Okay student, it can be done in a big company and professional life. Suppose that there are 3 person who is going to complete a single work, okay, they can share sheet 1 for one person, sheet 2 for second person, and sheet 3 for third person, okay, and they can share that with the help of steps I will explain, in which the number of user will indicate in which time, which day they have done the changes in that particular sheet, and how to opening a spreadsheet, okay, everything will be explained there. So as you will share the document, okay, as you will convert the normal document to shared document, these commands, I am to say these option will be not work. I am to say disabled, like edit option, changes, accept, merge document, sheet, copy, delete, insert, name, comments, okay, floating frames, okay. So here are might be not work, and after that we will learn how to save a spreadsheet, okay. While you are saving your spreadsheet in a share mode, it may be affect the error also. In such case, suppose that if you have done no changes, update, and other one person has done the changes, so the next one person whatever done the changes will be saved, not yours. So such condition may occur, okay. So we can do it practically now to understand it well, and after that record changes we have to understand, and review option. So let's begin students. So how to do that? So to do that I will open OpenOffice 4.1.7. in this we have to click on spreadsheet. Suppose that I will provide here value, for example 100, 200, 300 and 400. This is my particular data. So I am going to save it student. So first of all I am going to save this, for example my S1 or share, okay, my share file, and then save it. So this is normal file students. If I am going to make it shareable, what I will do, you have to go to the tool option and click on the share document, and share document dialog box will appear in front of you, in which you can see that user currently accessing a spreadsheet, it is acceptable here, okay, name of the user, that is friend, exclusive access, date and time is mentioned here, okay. If you will click on this one thing, it will say that the number of the things, font, color change, number will not be saved, and some functionality like editing charts, drawing, whatever. So you have to click OK. It will ask, do you want to really make it shareable document? Press yes. So now you can see student, in title bar along with file name, this is shared mentioned here. That means to say it is shared file, okay student. Now you can save it. So we have learned student how to prepare a particular sheet as a set up a sheet for sharing, okay. And now we are going to understand how to make the original file. So now this is my file, this is shared file, okay. So if I want to make it original file, okay, so what you will do, go to file and click on version option. So here in version, a version of my share file will be open. So click on save new file. So suppose that the file name is, this particular content name is original, okay, and then okay. So you can see the date and time has come, okay, saved by friends, it means to say my computer name, the name is comment is original. Okay, and then you can close it. If you want to change it, look at here. If I'm going to change this, suppose that 500, and I will save it, and I want to open the original one. So what I will do, student, go to file and click on versions, and then you can see that this one thing will open. Double click on it, it will say you this particular 0.ods file is logged for editing by friends, and do you want to open? So I want to click on read only. So now you can see, student, this is read only file has been opened, and the earlier value was 400, and now next one value is 500. So it means to say I can see the original value of the my particular shared document also. Okay, now we are talking about how to do that. I want to say how to make it unshareable document. So click on my share file as I saved here. Okay, so it will ask you something like it will allow only this one thing. So go to tool option and then go to share document and uncheck that. Okay, and press OK button and then press yes. Okay, student. So here we have learned, student, the particular thing of the day, which is how to prepare a document for sharing and how to save and share spreadsheet also. Now we will talk about record changes. To work with the record changes, we have to do one thing, student. I will open a new spreadsheet. Okay, so you have to go to Open Office 4.1.7, click on spreadsheet. Suppose that here I am going to save the value, for example 1000, 2000, okay, 3000, 4000. Okay, these are my values, and I am going to save this particular file with a name original. So you have to simply type it original. Okay, so in this particular folder I will show you my file is original or ods. If I am going to create, okay, open it, and now you can see original file has been opened, and now I am going to make the changes in this particular data. For example, here is suppose that 450 and here is 900. Okay, and I have go to file and press save as, and this file name is suppose that change. Okay, so this is, there are two files I have created. You can see here, student, one of them is original and one of them is changes. Okay, so what we are going to do, student, go to original. Okay, and now we are going to understand what are the record changes. So what you have to do, student, you have to go to edit option and click on compare document. Okay, in compare document you have to come by which particular file you are going to compare. I think we are going to check the change one. So click on change document, click on open. You can see, student, this will be open here, accept or reject changes. So now you can see, student, here is red color. Okay, whatever changes is done here, it will be show here in original. Okay, if you will reject all or reject, it will convert in that data whatever changes, and then after that close this. Okay, so it means to say you have do the same as the change one. So I will open the change one. So now you can see, student, in change one 450 and 900. Now in original one also it is saved and same as 450 and say 450 and 900. Okay, student. So we have understand how to see the what thing changes. Okay, so here we can understand how to see the changes also, and now we need to understand record content also. Okay, so I'm going to close the change one option and now come to the original back again. If you go to the edit option and then after that changes, and then after that you can see the merge document. Okay, here with change document it will show you whatever the changes you have accepted and whatever you have rejected. Okay, this is show you whatever you have done the changes. Okay, now we are going to understand how to record the elements. Okay, so you can see the next one topic according to the particular day is record changes. So record changes actually shows you what have you done the changes. Okay, so here I am going to sheet 2, and suppose that my value is 100, 200, okay, and 300. Okay, so these are some value I have typed. So here I can see record I have changed here. Can you see the red color boxes automatically come? It says it was empty and you have changed to 100. It was empty 100 to change it to 200. It was empty 100 to 300. Same way, if I did changes here, suppose 500, now you can see the red box also comes here. This is known as record changes. Record changes enabled and disabled with the help of particular changes option. Go to disable record option. So it will ask you, do you want to really exit from record changes? Press OK option. Now you can see red boxes are going to be automatically deleted. So whatever do the changes here, suppose that I am going to change here 100. So there is no message. Why? Because I have disabled the record changes. Okay. To do it manually, you can do one thing, student. First value was I think 500. So you can go to the cell, right click on this and insert comment. Okay. Or you can type here simply value was 500. Okay, I will type the same thing, value was 500. That's it. Okay, and then go to the next cell. Okay, so if you have changed the value like 100, so now you can see as you click on the cursor, so it will show you value was 500. It is manually done by you. Okay, so we can insert the comment with the help of insert option and comment this one option also, or directly right click and then go to the insert comment also. Okay, so this is why, because I have disabled the record changes also. Okay, so record changes will show you whatever you have changes, done changes after saving that file. Okay, automatically. We do not need to use the comment. Now we are going to understand the next thing of the day, that is how to add, edit and format the comment. Okay, student. So we can add and edit, format the comment. You have to just right click on this one thing, insert comment. You will come back to the comment option. Select this particular one thing. You can bold it, italic, underline. You can increase the size of also. Okay, and you can change the color of that also. Okay, because it is not shared file, you can change color also. So now you can see, student, if I click on this, color has been changed. Okay, now we are going to understand review changes, accept or reject. Yes, I have already learned, student, how to check the review option. Go to this one thing, this option. Okay, and then after that you will see what was the merge document. Okay, and then go to change option and then click on OK. Now you can see, student. Okay, so whatever we have done the changes. Okay, so you can go to edit option. First of all, you have to compare document. Okay, and change option, open option. It will show you number of the things are here. So you have to click directly reject all. So now you can see that reject option will show you what I have done the changes. Okay, so how to review the changes? You have to go to edit, changes option, and then after that you can see accept or reject option. So now you can see that whatever you have done accepted and rejected option. So it means to say we have learned today how to review the changes, view, accept or reject changes. Okay, so you have understand how to reject and how to accept the changes. So it will review you. Okay, and now we will learn how to merge the document. Go to edit option, go to changes, and now you can merge document. So merge document, I think I will merge with the change only. So click on open. So you can see that it will also show you the same thing. I think we have done the changes already, so it will not allow you to merge it. It will definitely will show you whatever done changes and not. Okay, student. And now one thing I will teach you, student. We can protect the particular cell also with the help of right click, and then after that do one thing, select it and then go to edit option and then go to changes, and you can save with password protection also. So you can fill the password here, confirm the password, and you only can open this particular cell. Okay, to make the changes, because you have done made the password also. So student, I hope you are learning today. Okay, easily what we have covered that topic. Set up the spreadsheet for the sharing. Okay, open and save the shared spreadsheet, then record changes whatever we have done. Okay, in which we have learned how to edit the comment, how to add the comment, how to format the comment, and review changes, in which we have understand accept or reject changes, and at last merge and compare the sheet also. Okay, student, so the content is over for the day. So till then, student, thank you and have a nice day.